Hello, I'm Kyle Bratz from Chaparral Motorsports, and today I want to do an unboxing for you of this New Ray Toys 1/18 scale model of a Polaris RZR XP Turbo EPS. This is going to be a metal and plastic die-cast model. It's going to be very robust, and it's going to have all of the details down to the nitty-gritty that you would see on a RZR XP Turbo EPS sitting on our showroom floor. Now let's get to the unboxing so I can show you those really finite details. Now this is part of the extreme off-road series that New Ray Toys has to offer. There's several different series in the power sports genre for you to take a look at, but today we're looking at the extreme off-road series. Now once we get this thing out of the box, I want to note that you can keep it in the box so you have this nice background to be able to look at while it's sitting there on your shelf, or you can have it out of the box so your kids can play with it, or it can just sit by itself up on a mantle. I've had some buddies that have these and they have like a little rock display set up. They've got their pickup truck and the dirt bike parts and little rock formation, and these things kind of sitting there. It's kind of a fun thing. A neat interactive toy for their kids and they're in their family room. So the first thing, of course, that we want to look at is the suspension, because that is one thing that definitely sets these vehicles apart. And you can see that all the suspension components here in the front look pretty close to what it would look like sitting here on the showroom floor. You're going to see that they do function. They are independent. Moving towards the rear, we also have independent rear suspension with all of the linkage that you would see on a traditional RZR of this caliber. Moving over, we're going to take a look at the dash. If you can get the camera angle there to look inside, you can see that the dashboard of this vehicle looks just like it looks in real life, down to the grab handle for the passenger. You can see they have details here on the tops of the seats matching the color scheme of the vehicle itself. As far as the bodywork goes, this is a nice custom graphic that has been done on this guy. We've seen a couple of these from the Polaris factory. They look really, really good in person. Again, this is the extreme off-road version. So we've got larger off-road tires on here and beadlock wheels. This is going to be a really fun vehicle to play with here. And if you actually have one of these vehicles sitting at home in your garage or on your trailer in your toy hauler, man, you've got a nice setup. Anyhow, those are some of the finer details of this New Ray Toys Polaris RZR XP Turbo EPS. Now, if you like the unboxing that you saw today and the close-up details of this rig, and you want to see more of the power sports vehicles that we've done videos like this on, take a look at the description. The first link is going to be to the playlist that has all of the New Ray Toys Power Sport editions that we have done videos on. The second link is going to be a tour that we did of the facility here in Southern California that really shows the broad spectrum of what New Ray Toys has to offer. Really neat. I highly recommend you go take a look. If you like what you saw today, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more action like this coming directly to your email inbox, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, as always, take care and ride safe out there.